and anxiety in the minds of parents, students and teachers due to the dilapidated condition of government high school main Vasco and government higher secondary school Baina. These school buildings are severely dilapidated, posing grave danger to the lives of students and teachers. Repairs have not been taken up in spite of all due processes being complete. Students have been shifted to different schools, causing them much inconvenience. Requesting Honorable CM to intervene so that these repairs can be carried out immediately. CM तुमच्याच इंटरव्हेन्शनान हे सगळें जाल्लें म्हणजे प्रोसेस कंप्लीट जाला पूण अजून ताचे रिपेअर वर्क स्टार्ट जायना दोन्ही स्कुलान हे जाला सो मातशें तुम्ही परत एकदा इंटरव्यू
बिकॉज द पब्लिक PWD डिपार्टमेंटाक आतां सांगता करपाक
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.